Welcome, Anya. And I'm going to tell a little bit about the story of how Anya and I actually meet. Randomly, I get a phone call, and I think that she is a potential cleaning client. And she starts talking to me how she got a message from one of my Facebook pages randomly. And so we started chit-chatting, and she is a spiritual healer. And I thought it would be great to actually release this on Halloween this year, especially after the whole Charlie Kirk incident. I just think it's divine providence that we have this individual in front of us here today. So, Anya, welcome.
Thank you.
And we're going to talk a little bit about what she does for spirituality and those types of things. So, Anya, why don't you just take it away? Tell us a little bit about yourself, where you are, what you're planning on doing, that type of stuff.
Sure. Okay. So originally I'm from Minneapolis. I was married with